ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದುಃಖ ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದ ಮಳೆ ರಘುನಂದन कामत मिगल लगी आप तक कमर्शियल तो मस्त पण तागेले प्रायव्हेट मिशन मेला उल्ले तशी आणि तागेले बायले मिगले रिलेटिव्ह तागेले मॅरेज झालेले आमगेले गेले म्हणाली पोळनो फिक्स झालेलं तर झालेलं तर ताके एक सॉफ्ट करणार आशिल्लें त्या टायमार जाल्यार आमकां ताणें सपोर्ट केला तेन्ना बिगिनींग आशिल्लो तो आतां ताणें मस्त आईस्क्रीमा भितर नाव घेतला ताणें हांगा पळयला रे इंग्लिशान बरयला इंग्लिशान उलयता ह्या म्हणाली कोंकणीन उलयता ना ट्रान्सलेशन करता कष्ट जाता तर जाल्यार ती इंग्लिशान उलयता. टुडे वी हॅव कम टुगेदर टू सेलिब्रेट द लाइफ and the legacy of Raghunandan Kamath, a visionary entrepreneur and beloved figure whose journey from humble beginning to the pinnacle of success with the natural ice cream serves as an inspiration to us all. To Raghunandan's story is one determination, hard work, and an unwavering belief in the dreams starting from scratch. He built a brand and that has become a household name loved by millions across the country. Natural ice cream is not just a testament to his business acumen, but also his passion for delivering quality and delight to his customers. As a family man, Raghunandan Kamath was a source immense love and strength. His dedication to his family was evident in everything he did. He balanced his professional life with grace, always ensuring that his loved ones felt cherished and supported. His value of hard work, integrity, and compassion were not just a principle he preached, but once he lived by every day. Today, as we remember Raghunandan Kamath, let us celebrate his remarkable life and enduring legacy he leaves behind, and let us honor his memory by continuing to uphold the values of embodied and by striving for excellence in our endeavors, just as he did. Raghunandan Kamath, your journey may have ended, but your story will inspire generations to become. You will be deeply missed, but your spirit will live on every scoop of natural ice cream and to the hearts of those who had the privilege to know you. May you rest in peace, Raghunandan Kamath. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak to you, all of you. Thank you very much.